Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on XRP. We're going to do a full analysis here on the technicals, on the fundamentals. There's quite a lot we need to talk about. We've actually had quite a lot of price action and activity in the last 24 hours, which I think is very interesting. So I think we need to talk about that. Outside of that, the volume right now has also held relatively well. Volume is down 6%, so there's still a decrease. But compare that to Bitcoin, where the volume is down 37%. And you can see that the volume for XRP has actually held up, and that's a good sign, all right? Because XRP dropped down as expected into that main support level right here between 2.1 and, 1.95 ultimately to the bottom. Pretty big level, as you can also see on the higher time frames. But we dropped down into that, and what you can see now on the daily time frame is that we have been able to hold the value area low right here, so that's a good sign. Or at least it's preferable that we do not break below that, because then usually you need to spend more volume actually reclaiming it. And right now, given the strength that we've seen from XRP in the last week, that would have been a difficult situation. So this daily close is positive, and we've also had a bit of a bounce here, as you can see. With volume, so that's all positive. All right, so the bottom was defended here with volume, and then we also had some decent volume coming into the price when we had that first big green candle here. So I wanted to start this video off positive. All right, and this is good to see, and I think this is an added confluence as to for me to say that I do think this support level is going to hold. Which I also said yesterday, all right? So in that sense, my analysis hasn't changed, but I do think there are some things you need to know. Because what happened over the last 24 hours is that XRP shorters got quite comfortable, all right? You had a lot of shorts coming in, basically since the 28th of March. And what you saw is that we had some late shorters coming in the 29th, so yesterday morning actually, and those were forced out. And that's what you can see right here, shorts coming in. They weren't liquidated, but you can see these big decreases in positions together with the CVD going up. That means shorters were pushed out of the price. I think in general, I mean, a lot of people shorted at 2.1. I think that's ridiculous, but all right. So they got forced out, and since then the price has bounced up. Now, at this point of time, and that's also, well, there's basically two things going on. What you can see at this point of time, or basically since the Asian session today, is that we had again some positions being opened. But this time around, it wasn't short positions, even though there's short positions in there as well, but it's majority long positions. So those came in, right? So that means that there's now short and long leverage coming into the price, whereas first it was only short leverage positions that could be hunted. But that in general the inflow of leverage here, in combination with a very, very uncertain week ahead with the tariffs, but also if you take a look at Bitcoin, it's quite uncertain what we'll do at 84,600. What I think for XRP is I don't think XRP is strong enough from this bounce to get up to the POC, right? Because the POC, middle of the high time frame range, that's ultimately our target. For now, look, I think Bitcoin can rally a bit higher, so it can definitely pull XRP together with it. But I do not think we can go all the way up there. I think we will reject relatively soon here at 2.25, 2.3, maybe 2.35, but I would be surprised. And that we will have one more visit to the downside here at that major support level between 2.05 and 1.95. And like I said, I still think it's going to hold, but I do think for now, given what we're seeing from the order flow and just in general strength from XRP, which we knew from last week, I'd say something like this is most likely. But obviously, I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.